Hello everyone. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku. In this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 12th, 2020. Yes, we have here a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be a number 1517. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Previous one, a 3-star Sudoku, has 25. This one, I think 24, but let me check first. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 2 is equal to 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 2 is equal to 24. Correct. So let's get started. Alright. Which number can I use? I see here in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 4. We have an 8 and a 4 in this big square, so no 8 and a 4 in these 3 boxes, so the 8 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this yet. 8 and a 4. That means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 2, 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, and 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 here, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So one digit left here should be the 7. The 2 and a 3 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, how about the number? The number. Let me see. The number. Well, this one also not easy. Not easy. Seven in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then poo. We have 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. So we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in that box. 3 and a 4 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7, 7. 3 missing numbers, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be a 4 and this should be an 8. Then 6, 4, 4. Yeah, 4, 4. How about the number? The number. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 6. 2, 3, 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 6 are left in this row. We have a pair, so 2 and a 6. I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. Yes. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the row below? So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing in this big square. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 6 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 2, 3. Then in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in one of these 2 boxes is a 6 in this column. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be a 2. And this should be a 6. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 7, 8, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. 7 should be here, 8 should be there, and a 9 could be everywhere. 6 and a 9. Alright. Let me see. How about these four numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. We see here 3. We see there 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, and I believe that one of these 3 boxes, one of the missing numbers here in this big square is a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in this box. So we have a pair, 9 and a 6 there. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be there, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 1 box left in this last row for the number 6. These 2 boxes in this row for the numbers 7 and 9. Let me mark them. These 2 boxes in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 1 and 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 here. No. 6 is already in this big square. So the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 7. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. First column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column. Second column for the number 8. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so in the row between. The second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between. Only place for the 4 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, quicker than the previous Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku. So, how can it be? Anyway, is it a really 4-star Sudoku? I don't think so, because a 4-star Sudoku, I really need more than 30 minutes. Anyway, I have solved this. I'm very pleased. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you in a minute with the 5th puzzle. It will be a binary puzzle. So see you later. Bye bye for now.